So this garage was not this loud before, so it sounds like it needs some lubrication. So that's what we're gonna do today. So in order to maintain the garage door, you want to keep it closed to lube all the main points that we're gonna hit. So I had bought this before, and this is what I'm planning on using again. Garage door spray lubricant. So in order to maintain a garage door, to keep it so it's not so noisy, we're gonna want to lubricate all the points of contact, which are these wheels. We're gonna want to lubricate all of these brackets. We're also gonna hit this cable here, or this pulley system, with some lubricant. The garage door has a belt drive rather than a chain, so I will not be applying any lube on that, just because the belt is it's made from a rubber, and I don't think you can really see it. There you go. And I'm also going to be wiping down these rails with just an old towel, just to get all the dust off. You can just start up top, give it a spray. Don't be afraid to spray it liberally. So you get the gist of it. I'm gonna also hit up these hinges. Looks like they make some contact. For these rails, you can just use an old rag. I'm just gonna use this old white shirt. Get any grease or dirt, and you can see it kind of accumulates. So we also want to spray these hinges above the rollers, as we get a little contact right here, just like that. So the rollers and the hinges. So after going through everything and lubricating all the brackets and the rollers, go ahead and run the garage door so many times. I don't know. Might take a while for the sounds to completely go away, but you'll notice that it's a lot less noisy. Okay, thank you for watching.